She put this on her face and her husband fell in love with her again. How busy is everyday life? We do not have a second to breathe between work, home, accounts, couple, children and problems that arise. And all this agitation is reflected in our skin in the form of wrinkles, spots and lack of shine. Surely you wonder what to do. The reality is that you do not have time to go to the beauty salon, and the best creams are so expensive that you do not decide to buy them. Do not worry. The solution is in your hands. Using ingredients from your own home can revitalize your skin and enhance its beauty. Why is my skin affected? The skin is the largest organ of the human body and its first and main barrier against pathogens. Among its many functions are, regulate body temperature, protect internal structures, and provide sensations such as touch and pressure. A smooth and luminous skin is a sign of health. However, there are many internal and external factors that can negatively influence its appearance and correct functioning. Major factors affecting the skin: excessive exposure to solar radiation, excessive use of chemical substances such as makeup, soaps, among others, alcoholism, smoking, unbalanced and unhealthy diet. From the aesthetic point of view, the skin has been considered a symbol of beauty by numerous cultures. At present, various cosmetic companies dedicate their efforts to find new formulas that allow to rejuvenate and protect the skin. The most common form of beauty treatment are masks. But you do not need those expensive masks, full of chemicals. Using natural products, in your own home you can prepare the best masks for your face. There is nothing more refreshing for the face than a natural mask. Moisturizes, removes dead skin cells, and reaffirms lines of expression. There are several types of masks depending on how they act on the skin, so you have to keep in mind what you need to choose what to prepare. Today we present a mask of honey and almonds. To prepare the most exquisite home scrub, you only need a soup spoon of honey and 2 almonds. Grind the almonds with the mortar until they give a very fine powder and mix it with the honey, then add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Apply it gently on the face by giving a circular massage and let it dry for 15 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. You will feel rejuvenated.